And welcome to another Solos demos feature. My name is Ella Haddad. I'm the developer for the Solo theme. And this feature, we're going to talk about the website regions spaces. So this option, it's a brand new feature. It wasn't in the old theme. And I added this one just to give people more variety of layout. So the default is 16. So what is the region space? So when I visit the website, let's talk first about the the region space. So the region space, this is a region. This is the main container. For example, if we talk about the top container, the top container has three regions, and the space between the region, this one and this one, and the space also between the element inside the region and the inside. So this is the space I'm talking about. So this is the default. For example, I'm gonna go and change this one to 36, for example. Save and Command Shift R, and you see that's how much. So some people like that space, some people like it narrow, some people like it. But just to clarify, all this work on very small screen, I reset it. So when you go very, very small, I believe 320, I reset it on. But this is the setting. If you would like to change it to something different, it could go even higher. It depends on the website, really, the width of the website and what you try to accomplish. This is how much, which is very big one. So if you compare it to the, you will see the difference now between the default. I release it with the default, but this is how much it gets different. I hope you like the new feature, and see you in the next one. Bye.